How to buy Doordash gift card. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, open any web browser or search engine on your phone or PC. Then search for Amazon.com here. Now select the first link that is on top. Okay, wait for a while. So this is the official website for Amazon. Now go to the search bar and search for Doordash gift card. Okay, here we go. Now over here you can see various options available for you. For now, I'm going for Doordash gift card right here. Okay, now if you scroll down below here, you can see the option of denomination. Just tap on it. And over here you can see that the card is available for 2 of the amounts. So I'm going to choose $25 for now instead of $50. So if you scroll down below, you can also choose the quantity for the gift cards you want to order. Okay, now if you scroll down a bit more, you can see send as a gift, include custom message. So you can customize your own message for the person you are sending this gift card to. Now after doing all these steps, you can see the option of buy now. Just tap on it and you have to make a purchase. But in order to make the purchase, make sure that you already have created an Amazon account for yourself. So this was it for today and I hope this video was helpful. At last, don't forget to like and subscribe.